Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 6, 2023, 5-star Sudoku. Column E and 9th row, we get 7. So 7 can't come these cells, 7 will come any one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then column E, column F, we have pair numbers 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 6th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells. The row is confirmed here. Then 5th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column C, column D, and 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then column B, column D, and 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 6th row, 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then we can confirm 2 also here. Column D, column E, and 4th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have pair numbers 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H, column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 2nd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 3rd grid, then column G, we have 2. Column D also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. 2nd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 3rd grade, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. The 9th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 1st grade. Then column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 3. Column B, column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 7th grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 8th grade, column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column B, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 4th grade, column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.